my loves, welcome to my kitchen. I have just finished my morning routine based on my new cleaning schedule, and I have gotten so many questions and comments over this few months asking me how I manage my home, keeping it clean, and how I do so much in a day. So I thought that I would share with you that formula step by step. So let's get started from the first step. This is my 2019 planner, and inside, almost at the beginning, you will see a sketch of my apartment. You'd have already seen this in my planner video, but I will leave you a link below in case you missed it. Now, this planner is for 2019, but I had to stop using it because we moved house. So the very first step is to draw a sketch of your home. It doesn't have to be perfect, just a rough sketch will suffice. And then break it into 6 even parts. Here I have the 6 parts which I have colored in, and then I have listed the groups here. Now, one part can be a single room, 2 rooms, or even a combination of rooms. You want to break it up not so much by size, but more based on usage and the number of chores associated with the room or area. It doesn't really matter how small or how big your home is. You will need to divide it into 6 parts. Let's just say the bigger your home, the more you have to do each day. But then that's quite logical, isn't it? Now, our current house is 4 stories, so I'm going to start with the ground floor. This is my sketch, and this is my area 1, which is going to be my dry kitchen and my dining room. Area 2 is my wet kitchen and backyard, and it extends to my pantry. Still on the ground floor, I have area 3, which is my home office, and added to that is the first floor, which is the living room and the entryway. Since these are not heavy traffic areas, nor are they chore-dense areas, I'm adding the staircases into this grouping. Now moving upwards, area 4 is basically the second floor. So I have my bed and bath and beyond, and then my twins' room and bath. And area 5 is my parents' bedroom and bath, and then my parents' sitting room, and also room 2, which is my daughter B's room, and then her bathroom. Right, then for area 6, I'm factoring in all the little spaces like my linen closet, utility room, and laundry room, and then also the outskirts of the house, such as the garden and the garage. This is how you divide your home into groups or areas. Now let's pick which day of the week is best suited for each area. For me, Monday has to be my dry kitchen and dining room because I overuse this over the weekend. We are all home, we're all in the dining room, and therefore I deal with this on Monday, and I call this zone 1, which is day 1, technically Monday, the first day of the week. Then I would like to do my parents' room, their sitting room, and also my daughter's room on Tuesday because we also use my parents' sitting room much more than we use our living room. So I have created zone 2, my Tuesday zone, right here. I always do my grocery list on Wednesday so I can go shopping on Thursday, as that is the least crowded supermarket day. And since that falls into area 3, I'm creating this as my zone 3. My Wednesday zone is now my home office and my living room. I like cleaning my wet kitchen and my pantry after I do my grocery shopping, and, well, you get the picture, and so on. Now, the next step is to make a detailed list of all the tasks in each area. Every single thing that needs to be done has to be listed here. Every little thing. Don't worry about whether it needs doing daily, weekly, or even just yearly. We will deal with that shortly. So make a complete list here. And then now that that's done, let's move on to this side and let me show you how to tackle the frequency. This one is daily. Alt-D, which means alternate days, and 2/week means twice a week. Then you have weekly, fortnightly, monthly, twice in a month, seasonally. 2/year means twice a year, yearly, and I also have an extra column for other frequencies. So for each task, mark out how often it needs to be done. It may seem a little tedious, but believe me, do this once and you are set for 1 to 2 years. So now you can see that these tasks need to be done daily. There is nothing here that needs to be done on alternate days, and then this is weekly, and so on. For now, lawn is done as needed depending on the weather. The next step is to transfer everything that is done daily into the daily cleaning list. I make it a point to include all these tasks into my morning routine and get them out of the way so I can focus on other tasks and other work after about 11 a.m. You can see some areas or zones require more time in the morning, while others may not even have a single daily chore. And then all the other tasks are transferred into my cleaning schedule for the month. This is not identical every month, but very close, as there are only very few chores that we do not do at least once a month. So this is my cleaning calendar. I have the days, dates, zones listed on top, and then the tasks that I need to do every one of these days. These tasks I usually do in the afternoon or early evening. The top few are the tasks related to the zone of the day. Then below that, I have other tasks that need doing. For example, I do my ironing twice a week, so that is repeated here, and similarly for my parents' bathroom, which is washed every alternate day. Now let's take a look at my home management and ETC day. That's my etc. day. There is no zone cleaning on Sunday, but instead I have a list of monthly to-dos, which are not zone specific, but are instead all over the house type of to-dos, those that need doing all around the house, zone 1 to zone 6. And I do them once a month or less. So, for example, on the 8th, I have added wiping all the switches, and then on the 15th, wiping all the fans, wiping the doors, and then on the 29th, wiping the ceilings for cobwebs. I also update my planner, do my menu planning, and make my to-do list for the next week on Sunday. So that's how I do it. I'm careful about being consistent without over-cleaning, and that's where my system helps me get everything done without repeating the same chores more often than necessary. I really hope this inspires you to keep your house at its cleanest while enabling you to do other things you enjoy too. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you're motivated, and do subscribe to my channel for more home organization videos. Until the next video, this is Raveena saying happy homemaking.